Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to go and show you this nice long shadow text animation. So when you open After Effects, we go and create a new project. I hope you did this already. I did it. So then go and create on new composition. If you can't find that, you go to composition and new composition. And here you can go and type the name, whatever you want. Then you go and get your resolution, everything, and background doesn't matter. Click OK. So then we go and create a solid. Right click on here and then new and solid. And maybe let's make it dark blue. So click OK. So now we have this one. Next, we go and create the text. So right click in here, new text, and write whatever you want. I will go and write my name. When you got that, you click and drag it into the middle. Also make it smaller. So like this one. Now I made my font in white. Doesn't matter right now. Well, yeah, if you want to have it in the end, you want to have it this color, you can keep it like this. Alright, so next we go and create a kind of light-ish thing. So go to the top here and we choose the ellipse tool and create a small ball, fill light. Let's make it white. So now here is our light. We can make it a bit bigger if we want to. Well, make sure it's under the name, like below, so the shadow can cast. Wherever you want to have the light, you can have it on here and the shadow cast to the bottom. Now I do it, it's cast, well, let's cast the shadow from the top to the bottom. So go to the beginning and make the keyframe. Then we go to the end, hold, grab the light, hold shift and drag it to the other side. So when we have done, it looks like this. Okay, we got this. Select your text layer and then we go to effects and type in fill. Drag this on your text and go and make your text like what your shadow should be later. So let's go and make this like bluish, very dark blue, like almost blackish, like this maybe. Maybe we need to go and make the background a bit brighter. So for that we go to the background layer, go to layer, solid options, and then we do it a bit brighter. Sorry. Okay, so let's go and create our light. For that we go and select the square, our light layer, go to effects and type in glow, and in here let's go drag it on here and whatever, go and get the radius up. So it's a little shine now there, just a little bit. Next we get another glow and get the intensity maybe to 1.3 and set the radius up. So just play around till you have a little sun over there. Get another glow layer here. And just play around, so yeah. So I got this little light here now. Next what we do is go to effects and type in CC composite and drag it in here. Close all the glow layers now. And we should get another one, it's like called fill. And fill it with white. Okay, now we got our little sun there. Let's go back to our font, our text here, and type in CC Radial Fast Blur here. Drag this on there. So you can see when I drag this around where the shadow is casting, right? But we want to have it from like above. So to get a bit more shadow effect, like you can see it's not much, we can change just the amount to 90. It's a little more, right? Yeah, so when I drag this around now, it's casting a shadow. And also the zoom should be the brightest. So when I drag this around now, it looks pretty cool, isn't it? I love it. Okay, the next step is we want to go and get the white font back. For that we go and type in CC Composite and drag this on here. And what happens now is you can go and get the Radial blur again. And now when I go over here, they're still getting a shadow. Next we go and get our light together with the Radial blur here. So get it on the point here, and then we go to the font, open it on the side here, and then we go to effects, CC Radial Fast Blur, and then you can see here it's a center. Then you go over here, it's a pick whip tool, and you click on it and drag it. So hold on, drag it to the light position layer over here. Just drag it over here. So now when you go move it, you can see the light is yeah, it's making the position of the fast blur. And now what we could do is we could go and play around with the Radial blur, and we can go and play around with the amount. Like, can make it really extreme here, like really extreme. So it looks like this. Looks like almost 3D font and the light is shining through. Or you could just go and get it a little bit. But I really like lots. Lots and lots. I really like it. Like, so if you want to have go and disappeared that the light is gone, we'll go to the fill option and then fill none and click OK. And next we go, you can see there is no light anymore. Also, what you could go and do is we go to the fill layer here of the shadow. Just go make it another color. You can make it white, you can make it blue, you can make it everything, but so it should be looking like a shadow. Just make it a bit more, let's make it a bit more bluish, maybe like this. And we can set the amount of the shadow a bit higher. Also, we can go to the text layer and then go there to right click, layer styles, and here we go and use a inner shadow. For all the options you need to go and do on the bottom here. So go here, layer options, inner shadow, and here you can change everything. Like, yeah, can go and play with the distance here. So it looks like it's in there. Well, set the distance to 0 and then get up the size a bit like that. So when we play this now, it looks like this. I like it. Also, what you could do, and it would be looking like a light sweep. You can go and just go to the text layer and then change the fill. But we have now dark bluish. Can make it black, almost black like this. So when we play this now, oh my god, this looks pretty nice. I like it. So yeah, or we go there and make it like a white. Okay, this will be looking crazy. This looks crazy. Okay, for that we maybe need to go and set down the layer styles here. So let's see. Whoosh. Okay, that's terrible. Well, that's what I got now. I hope you guys like it. If this video helped you, please like this video and comment down below what you think. If you have any requests for other videos, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, I appreciate a like. And hope I see you next time. Bye bye.